Known for their unique black and white fur and their relaxed demeanor, giant pandas, commonly referred to simply as pandas or panda bears, are emblematic of animals at risk of extinction. Pandas are mammals, meaning they are warm-blooded, have fur, and nurse their young with milk. They belong to the bear family, yet their distinct characteristics led scientists to debate for years whether they were bears at all. Modern research has confirmed that pandas are indeed bears, although they have notable differences from their ursine relatives. For instance, unlike other bears, pandas cannot roar. Instead, they communicate through growls, huffs, barks, and even bleat like sheep. Pandas are native to the mountainous regions of southwest China, where they thrive in bamboo forests. Bamboo is crucial to their diet, making up 95 to 99% of what they eat. However, bamboo is low in nutrients and difficult for pandas to digest, so they spend up to 12 hours a day consuming up to 40 pounds of it. They have a special bone in their wrist that functions like a thumb to help them grip the bamboo. Occasionally, pandas also eat grass, fruit, eggs, insects, and small animals. Typically solitary creatures, pandas live alone except during mating season or when caring for their young. Adult pandas can stand 3 feet at the shoulder and measure up to 6 feet in length. Males can weigh up to 250 pounds or 114 kilograms, while females are slightly smaller. Panda cubs are remarkably tiny at birth, weighing just 3.5 ounces and measuring about 7 inches. Newborns are pink, blind, and almost hairless, but soon develop the distinctive black and white markings that will stay with them throughout their lives. Here's a heads up for the saddest fact ever shared. It might sound harsh, but here it is. A group of pandas is called an embarrassment. Yes, you heard that right. No wonder pandas like being alone. They don't want to be called an embarrassment. Some people prefer to call a group of pandas a bamboo, which sounds much nicer. Efforts are underway to change this unflattering term. Did you know that pandas have a remarkable sense of smell, which helps them avoid each other and maintain their solitary lifestyle? Additionally, their unique black and white coloring isn't just for looks. It's thought to provide camouflage in their snowy and forested habitats. Pandas also have the remarkable ability to climb trees, which they often do to escape predators or to rest. Let's move on to another interesting topic: sleep. How much do pandas sleep? You might be surprised to learn that pandas sleep about 10 hours a day, which is roughly the same amount of sleep most kids get. Pandas are busy collecting and eating food, which takes up a lot of their day, leaving them with about 10 hours for rest. Pandas were discovered by the rest of the world in 1869, which marked a significant moment in the global recognition and fascination with these unique animals. Although pandas had been known to local Chinese populations for centuries, their existence was largely a mystery to the outside world until relatively recently. It was in the 1970s that pandas truly captured global attention. This period was marked by a significant cultural and diplomatic exchange known as panda diplomacy. In 1972, following President Richard Nixon's historic visit to China, the Chinese government gifted 2 giant pandas, Ling Ling and Xing Yi Xing, to the United States as a symbol of friendship. These pandas were sent to the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., where they became instant celebrities and attracted millions of visitors. Despite facing significant threats from habitat loss, concerted conservation efforts have helped increase their population, though they remain vulnerable. As symbols of international cooperation and wildlife preservation, pandas remind us of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Their story is one of resilience and the global commitment to ensuring these beloved animals thrive for generations to come. I hope you enjoyed learning about giant pandas today. Until next time, goodbye.